Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the very basics of the data structures, like what is a data structures, why we are using a data structures, how many types of data structures. Okay, then later we are going the very details onto each and every topic. So without wasting our time, let's have to start. So what is a data structures? Okay, very simple question while learning the any subjects or anything, why it is the use of it, why we are learning to that subjects, what is the use of that one. This is very basic question. Data, RUCT. Okay, so what is a data structures? So data structure is a representation of the logical relationship existing between individual elements of the data. A data structures, we can say, an organizing of all the data items that considered not only the element stored but also the relationship of the each others, like the arrays. Okay, so it is not storing only the elements, but what is the relationship where we are storing, what is the reference in a linked list, what is the current element, what will be come on to the next element. So our main motive is not just coming and storing the data, but to organize that data in a very sequent manner, means very organized manner. We are accessing and manipulating of that data which be a very faster, so that it's reducing our efforts during the programming. So why data structures now it came? Data structures mainly specified organizing of data, accessing methods, degree of associativity, and processing alternatives for the informations. Okay, so data structures must be rich enough in structures to reflect the relationship existing between the data, and the structure should be simple so that we can process data effectively whenever it is required. So we can see algorithm plus data structures is converting onto the program. Okay, now one more technical word is came. What is the algorithm? So an algorithm is a we can say a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular program. That is a set of instructions to written to carry out a certain task, and the data structures is the way of organizing that data with a logical relationship retains. Okay, so to develop a program of an algorithm, we should select an appropriate data structures for that algorithm. Now we are turning onto the point, like how many types of data structures. Okay, so data structures, basically we are categorized data structures onto the two parts. First is a primitive and second is a non-primitive. Okay, what is a, now again question is came, what is a primitive data structures and what is a non-primitive data structure? Yeah, so first is a primitive, primitive, primitive data structures, and second one is a non-primitive. Okay, non-primitive data structures. So primitive data structures, the data structures which are a predefined data structure, that is called a primitive data structures. Basically there are four types of primitive data structures: integer, okay, second one is a float, third one is a character, and fourth one is a pointer. And non-primitive data structures are categorized into the three parts: arrays, second one is a list, and third one is came on to the files. Okay, so again list is categorized onto the two parts: linear lists, and second one is a non-linear. So linear list again categorized onto the two parts: stacks and queues,